Here are the 5 main benefits of new garage door. 1. It will improve your home's value and appearance. 2. Boost your home's safety. 3. Reduces energy consumption within the home. 4. It displays your personal style. 5. Definitely lowers maintenance cost and time. A new garage door for your home has numerous benefits. However, to enjoy most of those benefits, it's important to require the time, research and invest during a durable garage door that meets all of your aesthetic and practical needs. You can contact Alfa Garage Doors for more information.